Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I'm going to walk you through 3 things that you can do today to increase the traffic to your website. So the first thing is content. Come here to your content, which is very easy to navigate because you have these buttons at the top. There are 2 things that I could focus on improving your website. So the first one is adding a click to call button because today everyone uses mobiles to navigate. And the second thing is content. And it's the amount of content. Actually counted the words of your front page and you have 277 words. And Google likes to see that you outrank your competitors and beat them in terms of not only the amount but also the quality, and we will talk about quality a little bit later. But let's have a look at quantity. Las Vegas remodel construction, they have 1,300 words. Rebad, the landing page for Las Vegas, they have 558 words. So that's something that you can definitely work on, is adding and throwing more and more relevant content. When we talk about quality content or relevant content, and the way I actually came across your company is because I type in Google this keyword, which is bathroom remodel Las Vegas, which is something that we call buyer intent keyword and nothing else than what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. The first section here is the Google Ads, and they're able to drive good traffic, but the flip side is that a lot of people actually turn them off or they just skip straight into the Google Maps. The Google Maps are able to drive 40% of the traffic, so it's important to rank at the top. To rank at the top, you need 3 things. So the first one is pictures. Just throw in there more pictures. So for example, this guys, look at them. They have all of these pictures on the Google profile. That's something that you can actually do just to start ranking them. So for Google, it's about adding more than what your competitors have. So throw in more pictures. Have at least, aim to have, well look, the first one has 41 reviews. So aim to have 50 reviews. And the other element that you need is what we call citations. So a citation is nothing else than the directories where your business is listed. And just bear in mind that the details on those directories need to match those of your Google business profile. And if they do, then Google is gonna regard you, as a credit. It's gonna give you credit and points for that, and it's gonna rank you at the top. The third section of the Google search is what we call the organic search. So to rank at the top is a combination of both the content and something that we call backlinks. So to analyze those rankings, we have a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is able to show us the keywords for which you are ranking and the backlinks. And let me stop there. A backlink is a link on any website on internet that is directing traffic to yours. And you have to look at it like a popularity contest where the person that has the most followers and powerful followers, if you want to look at it like that, is the one that is going to win the competition. In this case, the website that is going to rank at the top is the one that is going to have more powerful backlinks, for example, embedded within websites that are relevant to the niche and to the locations that you are serving. So that's something to include in here. And this dashboard, just bear in mind that these tools share data with Google, and it may not be completely accurate, but what it's saying to me is that there are no backlinks pointing to your website, and that you are not ranking for any organic keywords. In fact, I found you through the Google Business Profile. So let's have a look at your competitors. So Las Vegas remodel construction, they are ranking for 619 words, and they have 925 links directing traffic to their website. Let's have a look at the words that they are ranking for. So this tool shows me the keywords, the volume, so the search volume. This is the number of times this keyword is searched on any given month, and it's showing me the position in which they are appearing for that keyword. So for example, they are on the 6th position for bathroom remodel Las Vegas. This keyword is driving 500 searches per month. So the objective here is to try to identify those keywords so that you can rank for as many keywords as you can, because that is going to translate into more traffic to your website. And more traffic to your website, more visits, means that more people, a percentage of that people will actually reach out to you and will make a call, and a percentage of those will actually become customers depending on your closing rate. So more traffic can translate into business growth or more sales. So that's why it's important to actually include those keywords that we were talking about into the content or the front page. So look at this. For example, just between bathroom remodel Las Vegas and kitchen remodel Las Vegas, there's more than 800 searches per month, and this is saying that almost 80 visits to sites. So depending on the percentage of people that reach out and your closing rate, you can increase the number of your sales. Now, important to mention is that depending on the position that you're appearing, you're going to be visible or invisible to your potential customers. Anything beyond the 10th position means that no one is looking at you, because people do not click on the second page of Google. They usually stay just on the first page. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this insightful. If you want to arrange a more in-depth consultation, please feel free to arrange a one-on-one with me. My details are at the bottom of this email. And once again, thank you. Bye-bye.